Mamlansya tayo mga loves. Well, meron pa tayong day off. Kasi medyo matagal-tagal na to dito. Baka maano na si Mr. ba? Baka tanungin na ni Mr. kung ano yung plano ko dito. So, this week, yung duty ko, 4 times a week ako this time. Sana ba yung partner nito? Ito yung compression socks na sinusuot ko sa hospital. Inaamin ko mga palangga. Nag-start ako magsuot ng compression stocking when I was on my 3rd year. Noon talaga yung mga sinusuot ko lang is ganitong socks. Yung ankle socks lang. And then, you know, I better think about my, health. Ayaw ko magkaroon ng varicose veins. And they're actually very comfortable. Kasi, napansin ko din noon, pag nag-long days ako, sobrang sakit ng dito ko mga palangga dito. And then, since I'm wearing this now, hindi na ako nagko-complain na masakit yung dito ko. So, I feel a lot better. I don't know if it is just a placebo effect or psychology effect, but yeah, para sa akin nakatulong. May nag-message sa akin mga palangga sa email. Nagpapatulong siya sa akin kung paano daw mag-grow yung YouTube niya. So, ang mai-advise ko lang talaga sa mga baguhang vlogger dyan, wala talagang secret yung pag-vlog. Ang secret dyan is consistency and palakasan talaga ng loob. Kasi, sinabi ko na consistency kasi of course, at first, wala talaga manonood sa vlog mo. Kasi, sa dami-dami ba namang mga vlogger, it is a high competition talaga mga palangga. So, as a person who's starting to create your own stamp in YouTube, hindi talaga masyadong nire-recommend ni YouTube yung videos mo kumpara sa mga high YouTuber. So, upload ka lang ng upload and you never know, one day baka mag-boom yung video mo kasi yan din yung nangyari sa akin. So, noon talaga, yung mga videos ko, happy na ako pag may nanonood na 100 views, 200 views. And then, one time, nag-boom yung video ko about sa age gap actually. Yan yung nag-boom na video ko, age gap relationship. And ever since that, I gained followers and I keep uploading and inamin ko, ang YouTube malaking tulong talaga sa akin. And pag napansin ka na ng mga tao, doon na magsisimula yung mga bashers. Kasi yung mga bashers na yan, they are blessings in disguise din. Kasi malalaman mo na medyo nandito ka na kasi meron ka ng bashers. So, be thankful kung meron ka ng bashers. Kasi feeling dyan, napapansin ka na. So, there are times talaga na kahit hindi naman totoo yung mga sinasabi nila, ginagawan ka na lang ng issue, kahit kung ano-ano pa yung mga sinasabi nila, tao lang tayo at minsan din talaga nasasaktan tayo kahit na yung mga pinagsasabi nila nonsense. So, kung magpapa-apekto ka sa bashers mo, ano talaga, sila yung mananalo sa laban kung titigil ka sa pag-YouTube dahil sa pangbabash nila. So, I would say, lakasan mo yung loob mo and keep going. Huwag kang maniwala sa kanila kasi they are just there to stop your success. Pakunin ko lang yung plancha. So, yun yung ma-advise ko. And be patient din. Kasi ang pag-YouTube, hindi siya yung sili na umaanghang agad. It takes time. Ako, 1 year. 1 year ako nag-vlog bago ako nakasahod. So, hindi siya instant. And hindi ko inakala na until now, mag-vlog pa din ako. And, yeah. I really like YouTube. Although na inaamin ko sa sarili ko din, yung YouTube talaga, hindi siya permanent. Hindi talaga siya permanent. Kasi, yung sahuran kasi ng YouTube, it's fluctuating eh. Hindi same amount yung nakukuha mo every month. So, depende yan sa views, sa advertisement, depende yan sa interaction, something, ang daming mga factors. So, that's why din, some of my viewers, kung matagal ka nang nanonood sa akin, they're saying na bakit pa ako nag-aral, meron naman akong YouTube. Yes, meron akong YouTube, but hindi talaga reliable ang YouTube. Although, as I said nga, nakatulong talaga ng malaki sa akin si YouTube. So, I just want something kasi na, like, kung meron kang permanent na trabaho, so, like, kung ano yung trabaho na kinontract mo ngayon, alam mo, yun talaga yung sasahurin mo. Although sa pag-YouTube, kahit na gaano ka laki or kadami yung effort na binigay mo sa YouTube, as in talaga, hindi siya predictable mga palangga. Kaya, I would say, be smart din. You need to have something. You need to have a plan B. Tulad ko na yung mga videos ko, nasa bahay lang. So, ay nako. Sino ba yung manonood? Alam ko nanonood kayo, pero, di ba, you know what I mean? If you think about it. That's why I'm so thankful mga palangga na until now, nandito pa din kayo. And I try my best na ipapatuloy ko pa din tong video na to. Once na magsimula akong magtrabaho as full-time, I will still take you with me in my journey, my new journey. Kasi you've been a part of this journey ever since. Naalala ko mga palangga, nung first day ko sa trabaho as a caregiver, nagbablog din ako that time, pero wala pa masyadong nanonood. Yeah. It's just so crazy how time flies, and I never thought I will be here where I am today. That's why I'm so grateful for you, Jesus, for giving me the strength, of not giving up on this journey. Hey! Anyway, magplansya na tayo mga palangga before ako na maging emotional. Ganito talaga ako mga palangga. Pag wala akong tulog, pagod, nagiging emotional ako. Doon si Mr. sa loft. Bisitahin natin. I don't like going up here, mga loves. I find it very scary, but because we're nosy. Hi! Did you found it?
Eh?
Did you find what are you looking for? Yan yung natira, mga palangga sa bathroom. So ito, bodega to mga loves. Tambakan ng mga gamit na hindi ginagamit. Nandito din yung ating yung mga cushion, tapos yung mga decoration natin sa Christmas tree. Ang tagal akong hindi nakapunta dito. We got pottery here. Is this worth something? Let's have a look. There's no date or anything. But you never know. Mga old stuff to, mga palangga, mga karaan. Nandito na to pagdating ko. What is this? Oh, there's this one. Got a stump.
Yeah, they are. They're damaged.
Yeah. Where did you get this anyway?
We've got 3 nets, fishing nets.
Huh?
We've got 3 brand new fishing nets.
Oh. We're going for a venture, mga palangga. A new venture. Ito mga palangga, meron siyang meron pala siyang stump. Mahilig ako sa mga antique, mga palangga. Mahilig ako magkulikta ba. Ano to?
Found it.
Windsor? Something?
Can you just press up and down for me? Red one.
So ito mga palangga, mga fishing gear to lahat dito.
These are all.
So si Mr. mahilig mag-fishing noon.
Wow.
And I've been telling Mr. na gusto kong mag-fishing. Pero gusto ko yung mag-fishing ba na pwede dalhin yung mga na-catch mo.
These are all floats, I think.
So we're taking these boxes, mga loves. Yan yung gagamitin namin.
Because there's some reels here that'll suit you, because there's some left-handed wind and some right-handed wind.
Ito mga palangga, itong hawak ko, ito yung first ever na fishing rod ng anak niya. Si Jen at yung anak niya, mahilig sila mag-fish noon, mag-fishing, mag-shooting. Pero I don't know what happened. Ngayon, hindi na masyado. You don't go out together now.
Who?
You and your son.
He has his life. Yeah, this is my salmon spinning.
I know, but you still have to have a band together, hon. You need to invite him shooting again.
This isn't the right case. Yeah, that's me. Salmon spinning rod, that, yeah. It is.
Are you reminiscing?
No, I'd use this for once it's when I go spinning for bass.
I love sea bass, mga palangga. We need to go sea bass. To get some sea bass, honey.
Yeah, well, what I'm going to do is teach you to cast. You can do
What's
that.
cast? Like to throw it?
You need to do it and perfect it.
I know how to do it.
No, you don't. No, you don't, actually.
I know.
I know you don't know.
Honey, I know.
Right, so all these rods can go down.
Okay.
And you can see what part. They're all
Dami naman ito eh.
see what weight classes they are.
Are they able to fit in our car?
Oh yeah.
Are you sure with this?
Yes, darling.
Okay.
That's a salmon spinning fly rod. That's a sea trout rod. That's a 50-pound class boat rod. It's the heaviest one you get for around here. That's these are 2 boat rods.
I don't need to take it out.
No, no, but the 2 good boat rods then. Right. Okay, so we don't need this.
Do we need those?
I've got one out.
Okay.
Put these through there. See,
Come on, reveal your secret.
there we go.
Oh, wow.
Whoa. Whoa.
Yan yung mga kayamanan ni Mr. Mga Loves.
That's the big fish down there.
That's for a tuna.
Top. You already made ribs, you see these. They're hooks. These, you used to have them on board. You used to put one to the girls, put the rod in.
What are those on?
Yeah.
Oh, they're actually heavy.
The lead weights. They're called a breakaway. When you fish the kai, when they've got a strong current,
Yeah.
right, when you're fishing bait, cast out, and just put it towards a little bit. These spikes stick into the sand, and it stops it from rolling
moving away, yeah.
But when it breaks away, what it does that. Watch.
Ah.
Yeah. So you can pull it out. And you
Yeah,
don't
so
get
there's
stuck.
no resistance to it when you're pulling it.
So you don't get stuck. Look, I've put me some inside that box.
Right. While you're busy doing that, I need to look after our dinner. Because it's 3:45 na dito. So, mag roast chicken tayo, mga palangga, then chips, and then vegetables. Ito na yung manok, mga loves. Lutong-luto na. It's all ready. So, mister, come. Let's eat. Ako mga palangga, nakatulog ako after naming kumain kanina. Hindi naman straight after na kumain, but yeah, we're watching TV and then nakatulog ako. Hindi ba kami tapos sa mga hindi ba kami tapos sa pag-check ng mga dinala namin sa baba kanina. So we need to check that. We need to continue checking that. So, yan, nakakatuwa mga palangga ba kasi yun yung mga masasayang memories ni Mr. at yung anak niya. Yung anak kasi ni Mr. meron na din siyang life on his own and then puro sila busy. Lagi ko sila sabi na you need to make time, but yeah, they always say we will, but hindi nila ni ginagawa mga palangga. Kaya pinupush ko talaga si Mr. na gawin na magbanding sila ng anak niya para memory, diba? Anyway, that's it for now kasi wala namang ganap. I-edit lang ako and then we need to continue what we're doing earlier. Ito yung pinapanood ni Mr. Well, that's my movie of choice, Code 8, sci-fi. Lately mga palangga, I'm really enjoying watching sci-fi movie. Oh no! What happened, Han?